Hey, this is Arlene. It is April the 13th, 2020. So someone's also messing with and it's a tenant in the building, is messing with my Dell laptop cord. So this is the charging cord I have for my Dell laptop. And you can see somebody's been messing with it. Now, I keep it in here. So, someone's physically going in and messing with it. Now you notice how it's bent here, it's fine. All the bent areas are fine, which tells me this is the area that's been targeted. You can see kind of the wiring right underneath it. And this would be a tenant in my building doing it. So it's right here, this part of the cord, and this part of the cord. Similar to what happened at the Spectrum cord. So that means it's one of the tenants here at the Derby at 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard in Los Angeles, California, 90038.